So, hi guys! Welcome ulit sa ating Let's Do QuickBooks tutorial. So, for today's video, ang topic natin is how to add bank account to our QuickBooks. So, since nandito na tayo sa QuickBooks, dito ulit tayo sa charts of account pupunta. So, same process din kanina. Click lang natin yung new. So, click lang natin yung new. Ang ginagawa ko dito is nilalagay ko yung bank account mismo. Like for example, Amex or American Express. Then, yung last 4 digits ng card. For this one, Amex. Then, yung last 4 digit ng card, saving. Credit card pala to guys. Sorry. So, Amex, PC. Then, last 4 digits. So, 1989. Then, hanapin natin si credit card. So, credit card. Then, detailed credit card ulit. Then, save and new. Other one naman is from Revolut. Dito naman, hanapin naman natin si bank. Lagay naman natin si Revolut. Okay. So, pag wala siyang bank dito guys, pwede namang check and cash equivalents, tapos savings. Tapos, save and new lang natin siya. Then, new account. Okay. So, cash and cash equivalents, then savings, then save. So, ganun lang kadali guys mag-upload ng bank accounts or mag-add ng bank account sa ating chart of account. So, see you again guys sa ating next video. Thank you!